Hey, Matter, welcome. You are the first. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, every automation work is not working. Hey, how you doing? How's everyone? Long time no see, really? Oh, I forget to stop the music. Hello. Hello. Wow. Yeah. It has really been a long time. Yeah, I'm still not sure where should I look. Yeah, I should be looking at the camera. Wow. I've not put this lip motion on my neck for a long time. It's growing really hot. Yeah, it's getting a little bit colder here. And welcome everyone for joining our Wipe Coding 2025 series. Yeah, probably haven't speak for much, and I can't still clear my throat. So, just a quick look at what we are actually going to work on today. You might be very curious that why I have Monster Hunter open at the bottom right now. But yep, we'll find out the answer pretty soon. Well, to start with, I guess not everyone has seen this app before. So apparently it's our super streaming website, I'll call it. So it contains a few very useful tools that helps streamers work on their stuff. Yeah, one of the most important feature in this is the YouTube Party, which can actually synchronize videos across different peoples. Yeah, so you can see here there's an OBS overlay URL which will go in.
Matru-san, stream is lagging for me, but good to see you blank from
Oh,
love.
stream is lagging. It's probably not your issue. I got. Let me double check. Oh yeah, we got only 200 frame missed, which shouldn't be a big problem. Yeah, and today I've sent that image to Discord, which you can see is like the other PC's OBS is not working. So the streaming PC's OBS is actually not working. So I'm on a single PC setup right now, and I have Volado and OBS running at the same time. Volado, OBS, Monster Hunter. Maybe I should close Monster Hunter. Yeah, it's been good to see you too. I haven't seen him for a long time and I'm already sweating. So, yep. Our YouTube parties, you can sing across different people, and the most important thing, it has an OBS overlay URL, which you can put into OBS and it will show your playlist up right here. Yeah, where's my... Oh, yep. Yeah, my browser got old cache, so it's using an old stuff. So you'll get this playlist over here. Oh yeah, and that's actually the production version, and the one you are seeing is a local version. Oh, that's not a big problem. I will demonstrate it. So you copy this, you click this, then you copy it. You paste it here in the OBS. Well, you can't see the OBS window because I hide it. Yep, and now you see this exactly same playlist over here. And one of the features is that this one is an AI detection feature, so it can grab the video URL and identify who is the artist and the song title. So yep, that's not today's focus today. It's just a basic introduction of what our Sakura Connect app do. And today we are going to add a PopCat feature to this site. Yeah, I wonder if I should do that or they should make us a standalone site. But I decided to just add it to it because it has all the database set up already. Yeah, so that's slightly less work. Well, but we still have to deal with the database, you know. And just a second, I realized the music is not on. Yeah, let's do some funky background music. I wonder if you like cute ones or you actually like... I've tried to make it futuristic because, we are talking about AI. So here you can see I've, as a matter of time, I prepared some PopCat images, which was drawn by our favorite friend, who is called Kabime, and I will just quickly introduce her here. Oh, wait a second, I haven't put this link here. Well, I can do it later. To start with, we will be doing different characters image over here. And we'll have I think everyone should be familiar with a PopCat, right? Yep, so this is generally a GIF image that contains this animation. And we are going to create an app based on this one. And the aim for that is to promote FA VTubers. Apparently they're Taiwanese, but I'm thinking, yeah, maybe we should have a login system and allow everyone to add their own, and at the end we'll have a board to show who is winning. So that's our task today. Now, maybe we're aiming to finish this in 3 hours. Last time we did 9 hours. I'm not sure if we're gonna achieve this time. Yep. You might think that I'm just grabbing attention, but I am actually pretty confident that we can do, well, at least in 5 hours. 3 hours is just a challenge. But I reckon mostly if the AI works very well, it's mostly possible. Yeah, most of our websites build up mostly under 3 hours, so I'm pretty confident we might be able to do that. But I don't usually play Monster Hunter with coding. Oh, by the way, I haven't introduced everyone to vibe coding yet. One covering the main screen, is it? Hey! No! Hello， 唔好意思，呢個睇唔到 YouTube 啲 comment， 笑死！嗱，呢個簡單咁同你講一講咧，呢個就係我哋今日用嘅主角，佢係叫 Cursor， 就可以直接寫。咁咧，乜都唔使多做，講英文就得噶啦。中文都 work 嘅。I'll actually zoom in the features. So yeah. Yep, you know the cursor is over here. So I think the Monster Hunter screen is not covered.你睇下呢個係 Power Toys 唔係呢個 OBS Zoom 嘅功能，應該睇到好清楚。咁呢個工具咧就叫 Cursor IDE， 就係叫 Cursor 嗰個 Cursor IDE。So I just described. Actually, wait a second. Let's start the timer now. Yeah, you can't believe this app is actually created by Cursor too. Yeah, so much good looking. Oh, let me introduce you to Sakura Connect Windows 2. Yeah, you can just do stuff like, yeah, let's say your power. I'm not sure if it tracks Power Toys fine, but yeah, you add the Power Toys. Now you get a new timer over here, and you set Start Focused Tracking. It will track the screen you are focused on currently. So you see, if I click on the cursor, now we are on coding task. If I go to browsing, the browser, it will do the read the docs task because that's how I set it up. 雷卯安安，对，看到这个 CEO 亲自授课。其实我不是 CEO， 我是 CTO， 可是你知道那名词太多了，那没有人知道。你要知道我是始创人就好。这系列其实也是那个跟大家讨论一下那个 AI 的工具。然后我们今天刚刚说到这个工具是我们今天打程式用的，就是叫 Cursor IDE。你会看到我们今天要做的就是把这个我已经开始算了，3个小时不知道做不做得完。我会把这几组 Popcat 的角色加到那系统里面，然后我就制造一个 Popcat 的游戏。意图 你看那头墨水，应该有什么不懂的，是随时都欢迎发问。因为呢，现在打扣的话，我有很多时间可以看留言的，你待会知道为什么。那么好了，这边我有一个这边有个样板的那个程式，我已经做好的。那如果你们需要的话，我可以传给你们。那就其实就是一个标准的 Next.js 的程式。那你拿到之后呢，从这边呢有一个叫Setup Project PS1 的跑一跑，然后呢它就可以跑，然后你就直接在 cursor 上面按这个 Start Debugging 按下去，然后它程式在下面就开始跑。它跑完以后呢，你可以按这个。他有说他在哪里启动了？这个Ready on localhost 3000，你看 Alternate 按一下，它就会直接打开，或者把这个复制贴上都可以。那这就是我们的那个Sakura Connect 的样板。我们现在把那个 Popcat 的游戏加上去。那我刚刚就有形容过，我们这个游戏做什么的呢？那我们要做的事很简单，我们现在打开这个，开个新的对话。我们现在有一个 G 模型呢，计划的话，我喜欢用 GPT-1， 可是你们也可以选其他的。例如说呢，这几个模型有什么用呢？ Claude 3.7是那个写 UI 很厉害的。然后 Gemini 就是有点聪明，又蛮快的一个模型。3.7的弱点就是它很慢。然后 O3 呢 ，O3 的缺点是它很贵，你看旁边哦。所以我几乎是不用了，没用的话是没用。可是如果你不懂那个程式的话，那个 O3 应该是可以解决不少问题，因为我自己能解决，所以我用不到 O3。可是我朋友他就会用。那么我们现在开始那个计划，就打一个 GPT 4.1，然后叫它什么 ？We are going to design create a new Popcat game that is， 你看哦，我打的都不是代码，都是英文哦。So we're going to as the CEO of OpenAI says, yeah, the most popular programming language is English. So this is the foundation of vibe coding. We're going to design a new Popcat game that uses， 然后我就把那个刚刚我加上去的图片，它应该还没 index 好，然后我就需要按进去。app， 有点像我图片读进去。啊！我应该丢错啊！没有，我在等我一下，对，图片丢错。难怪找不到。好，那么我们现在就有 有人看发现那个我的那个歌单没有。Shuffle album， 诶，等一下，repeat playlist 应该是这个。这 CEO 是霸道总裁 ，CEO 不一定是霸道总裁，他可以是，没有啦，我不会很霸道。No， 你会听英文吗？Yeah, because you know this stream I think mainly focus on English. 授课是语言是英文，把刚才的再讲一遍。那不错啊，那可以吃不少时间呢。他可能需要一点时间 index， 可是呢，我就把那个这个图片是卡比妹画的，所以我就先做卡比妹的。That uses image from the folder that contains， 我就告诉他直接说这里有一个资料夹。Brand new pop 可以弄这个。To our system. Yeah, this is aimed for promoting VTuber friends with a leaderboard of the PopCat game from different people. Oh. Yeah, if you have average Hong Kong people level, you should be able to understand without issue, I think. With a leaderboard, well, 我都冇咁多嘢講，可以用廣東話複述一次。We have leaderboard of the pop game from different people. In the page, we should have allow user to we should allow user to add introduction and link their streaming profile. Under the PopCat. Okay, we'll have a first go first. So, the AI is very nice. It says, yeah, great idea. Let's break down requirements. And the goal is to create a PopCat game, blah, blah, blah. And the first thing it's going to ask you is for clarification. So, image source and format. Should we use only KBMap for image in the folder? 佢就問你使唔使？你係咪淨係用 KBMap？ 咁呢個 The answer to that question is no. We want to create a database of different 其實打錯字都唔緊要啊，佢睇明 VTubers and this should be configurable in the database. Let's assume all images are in the image folder first. Yep, so that's the image folder, public access image. They will. So the second question is, are the image always GIF or they could be another format? Yep, they will always be GIF with the first frame. So what is GIF is that it contains a series of images which keeps replaying themselves. So in this case, the first frame is of a closed mouth, and the second frame open mouth. 所以咧，其實你睇到咧，我哋而家咧寫曲咧，其實某程度上好似同 AI 傾偈一樣。當住咗黑板，其實咧望喺個可以熄咗佢，因為咧我突然間發現咧，其實呢個打機嗰陣時咧，咦？望喺個畫面咧，啊嚟啦！因為我發覺咧陣間咧，嗱，而家佢寫曲咧，我就可以打機。咁佢打機嘅時候咧，其實個畫面都夠大。So you'll find that actually, yeah, vibe coding is about talking to the AI. So should a leaderboard be global for users or per session? So what does per session means is that, yeah, it only stays for as long as the user is there. And for global, that means we'll have a competition-based board. So in this case, we'll have the leaderboard should be global.嗱，其實咧我咁樣做咧就有少少貪心啊。通常一次整一個功能號，例如咧整咗個 Podcast Game 先，跟住再整 leaderboard，跟住 authentication 嗰啲就佢有講到，但係我冇叫佢整嘅。The leaderboard should be global, such that we know the visitors' favorite VTuber。咁嗱呢個咧，呢個係特別嘅，即係咧，通常啲人咧用 AI 寫做唔到佢想做嘅嘢咧，可能就係留喺後面嗰句。我就好習慣講埋，因為咧 leaderboard global 啫，咁實際上你要同佢講到底有咩用咧？咁嗰個用處就係，咁我想記錄低邊個俾人 click 得最多，係最受支持嘅 VTuber。等先，我頭擋住咗黑板，我熄咗個。我熄咗個 mon 坑，原來唔係個 mon 坑。So user authentication， 佢問到第三條係問user authentication。Oh, most what a metrics that determines the 未答完，講少少先。其實我啲嘢仲想整嘅，我想整埋咧，就係咧，當你咧切換視窗嘅時候咧，佢自動將 OBS source 換咗個視窗，跟住然後砌翻好個位。如果有咁嘅 plugin就方便好多。不過我只有3日準備，我覺得寫好咗呢個計時器已經好巴閉嘅。We should use most pops as the metrics。咁第三個問題就係 user authentication only authenticated you be able to play submit and link profiles。咁佢問咗幾條問題，係咪淨係登入嘅人可以玩到？咁呢個咧我哋就會話 no。呢個係一半啦。So only authenticated users can submit their PopCat and personal streaming info. However, everyone should.
小英之姐没去。
Hello, Melu and everyone should. 好久没开台了，大家会来看我，实在太好了。我们现在25分钟了，一句都还没一点都还没开始。平常的话，这个时候我已经做完了，大概。However, everyone should. 所以你知道我为什么都不开台了吗？所以这个效率差太多了。摸鱼上没有。
摸鱼25分。
我在慢慢解释我在打什么代码。你看我还没摸鱼，你看左边有一个计时器。However, everyone should be. 他现在问，就是我刚刚说跟 AI 说我要设置一个什么游戏，然后呢，他就问了我一堆问题。你要怎么设计？我们达到第3题了。So, authentication. 然后我们说谁都可以玩。To play the game. We have an existing of setup. Please use that to get the with database. 然后第4个问题就是 streaming profile linking， 我就说它的页面里面，AI 问的是什么都看不懂，看不懂也是有看不懂的方法，你就问它是什么意思。例如说你看不懂什么叫 user authentication， 然后 should only be able to use submit intros profiles， 你就可以这样问。我先把这个复制，我待会要重打又不好。就说，如果你不会编程的话，你就可以直接跟他问。leaderboard 是啥？你就跟他说 what？ 如果你不知道什么叫 leaderboard 的话，你就说what？ 为什么我突然不能打字？等一下。你那个坏掉，因为程式开太多了。That's only glitch. What do you mean by leaderboard? Please clarify. 或者可以打中文的，我试试看给你看。什么是 leaderboard？ 他说 ，leaderboard 是一种用来显示玩户在某个游戏活动排名的，它通常说这个某个指标，例如分数、速度成就。在你的 Pocket 游戏中 ，leaderboard 可能是对，在你的 Pocket 游戏中。Leaderboard 可能会显示每个玩家的称号，他们的 pop 的次数，就是这游戏里面，还有他们的介绍和了串，这样就能看到谁的 pop 是最多玩家，激发竞争与互动的乐趣。对，这就是 Vibe Coding 的基本，所以我就说不懂就问，真的说没什么解决不了的问题。 我目前用的话，这是现在我觉得那 AI 是那个非常好的学习工具，因为你不懂就可以问他。当然了，你不要那个一定要信，你不能完全相信他说的，可是你可以很快就拿到那个大概的想法。So, which platform should be supported? Twitch, YouTube, etc. 那这个方面我就说 we should support most major platforms. We have a built-in Twitch login which is straightforward. 这个那个图奇的登录我已经设好了。For other platforms, user can just enter a link, and the system should be able to detect what platform it is. 这个呢，我建议你写的时候呢，等一下，我死标去哪？我建议你写的时候呢，其实是跟他说清楚是有哪几个平台。可是呢，我现在就先让那个 AI 它自己发挥吗？我的国语超烂。如果他没有把全部列出来的话，我们再跟他修正就好。So, is a simple text field, or should we support Markdown formatting? 我觉得呢，这时候他问的话 ，Markdown 就是一个普通人不知道。
那个 database rule 是自己电脑里的 folder。
哦，对，那 database rule 是什么鬼呢？其实旁边呢，我已经写好一堆，就是关于这个城市的基本资料，这个我可以分享给你们。你可以看到那个这数据库呢，我这设计比较特别的，因为是我们公司在用的一个样品，我在样品可以让完全不懂编程的人都能写到程式，所以呢，它有一个本机部署的数据库，然后呢，我有一个伺服器部署的数据库。我这个 rules 呢，就是叫它这里有两个数据库，然后呢，你每次更新的时候，你必须把两个都写完。所以呢，这样我朋友做完以后呢，我就可以直接部署到那个数据库。可是呢，本机用的数据库呢，就只是一个 DB 就只是一个 DB 的 file 而已。它不用装什么 MySQL 什么鬼的，就只是一个普通的文件，你就当是 Excel 吧。这叫 SQLite。SQLite 打开大概是怎么样呢？这个 SQLite browser 你可以看到我这个数据库打开啊，就它有账号啊，你做过的，然后它的歌词啊。等一下，这数据库好像，对，这数据库存在不应该存在的东西。我先把它洗掉。对，那是我开发其他功能的时候写的。我这代码你不用自己打，我已经叫那个 AI， 就是你遇到数据库的东西的时候，它会自己生成那个该执行的指令。你可以看到这 lyrics 是不应该存在的东西，它现在说，如果你现在更新的话，它就会消失。 那这个情况下我们就选 yes， 然后呢他就掰了。我们再打开一遍，对，那歌词就不见。我在想我的账号不会也不见。啊，我的账号还在。不过这是本机的，所以没什么所谓。然后他问的这你要 Markdown 还是怎么样 ？Markdown 呢，其实就是这个我们程式人员写的那个像是 Word document 的东西。你可以看到这是一个文字档案，然后它有一个特定的 format， 的格式。这样，例如说，比如说这边就是一个 table， 然后它的显示出来大概就是这个样子。你看，它却变成一个这样的档案，就是你平常在 GitHub 会看到的那一堆东西。这 Navbar 功能傻小，也是同一个说法，就是你不懂的时候就问他就对。我是因为我认识，才知道他讲什么。你不认识的名词全部问他，然后你编程什么的，你很快就学会。So 第二个 introduction field should we support markdown or formatting？
MaryQQ 这个东西还是需要时间去理解 W。
其实也不需要理解，因为你不需要打这个这是我刚刚教 AI 打的。你看，这是我刚刚教 AI 打的。Structured Query Request， 你看这个 Structured MD 完全是他自己生成的。我们加速一下吧，因为这废话讲太多。可是大概就是这个想法，就是说你一面把不知道的东西跟人家去问，了解以后再回去回答你想要设计是怎样的。Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because we already waste too much time without writing a single code. Game looking over the pay actually be. Should be accessible to a specific group of people, yeah.哎，等一下啊！没关系，先这样。 我刚因为是复制贴上，然后它这个 database rule 没有 highlight 好。然后它这边有一个 summaries of requirements， 你好奇的话，你可以全部读完。可是我通常都不管，因为实在是太长了。可是看这个的话，你就会知道，看这个你就可以知道 AI 有没有了解你刚刚说的是什么。如果你发现他理解错的话，就跟他说你理解错了，我不是这个意思。我现在用这个叫 Cursor IDE， 然后所以它不某程度上要钱吧，有2个礼拜免费这样。
那个 GPT 4.1是那个站。
对，可是我用的是Cursor 它自己的功能，然后呢，你就可以选，你这边可以选不同的模型。你还可以用Claude Sonnet， 然后Gemini 的，还有其他的。他们每个有不同的功用，我会总结。你可以一个一个试，可是我会告诉你他们强项是什么。当然这是我发现的。你们如果发现其他比较好用的方法都可以。比如说我朋友是喜欢用 Claude 的，我是比较喜欢 GPT， 因为GPT 就快 ，GPT 4.1就快，这就是20块1个月。我没有拿工商，它纯粹就好用。它有免费版的2000人 completion， 就是不包括那个 Pro Model。然后如果他在忙的时候，你要等。那你看我这个月已经用爆了，因为我同时写4个程式，我一天就可以用到200个。对，那个 GPT 就是4.1呢，那个 GPT 4.1是那个 ChatGPT， 没错。然后刚刚他写完以后呢，他有说 video verification， 他有再追问，然后我们先把这些问题解决掉吧，还没开始写程式。
Mary QQ Sam 20每一个月对有一直在用的人会比较划算的。
对啊，它有2个礼拜试用的。如果你有兴趣写程式的话，你就拿那2个礼拜试用，对一直有用的也是啊。如果你只是普通平常搜索资料之类的，你可以用 Grok 或者直接用 GPT 就好。
Mary QQ Sam， 你有用过 Grok 写 coding 吗？
Grok 写 code 没有。说到 Grok 的话，我还没试过。Cursor 有资源的模型是这几个，我几乎都不会用 Chat 界面是写 code 的，你待会知道为什么。它有资源的，你看它还有 DeepSeek 的，可是 DeepSeek 太慢了。Grok 在下面，我还没试过。 我们待会可以试试看。哎，把它打开吧。我就快速把这个打完，因为一个一个字解释的没什么用。简单来说就是，他会问你一堆，你想怎么设计，你要怎么设计，那用什么东西的。这个，例如说这个，他问你要什么 Rich Text Editor， 你啥都不知道的话，就不用管，就直接是说你选一个吧。这是最简单的。你要今天问到他没有问题为止。然后他就写一个详细，他就写了一个详细的计划，然后最后就是 confirm，would you like proceed with this plan？ 我就说，这时候我就转到另外一个，因为呢，4.1他写程式虽然准确，但是不漂亮，他界面画的超差的。然后我们来玩一下 Grok Free 啦，我都没有玩过。哎，图片，我刚刚啊，我知道为什么，我知道为什么没有用过 Grok 3呢？它不能看图片。那我们用 Gemini 吧，听说 Gemini 也是新版的。写代码还是蛮不错。
Elon Musk 的 AI 还需要进步 WW。
对对，Gemini 坏掉了，我们用 Claude 吧。这时候呢，通常都是，这时候就是那个火物猎人发挥作用的时候。你看我现在上班就是这样，他开始写，然后我就摸鱼。说到这个，我还没开始玩呢。 你看这边他就直接帮你把那个档案写好。他把在这边一个帮你写，所以呢就是不用管。然后他写完还有声音。
好快！
对啊，你知道为什么要做 vibe code 吗？我打字虽然说他写的可能不好，可是我打字怎么也不一定不可能比他快。哦，这个他需要帮忙，我不帮他，我不让他那个。我不让他直接跑指令，因为他会有问题。他可能会跑一些奇怪的指令。你看他指令又不帮你写好，哦这边，你看他指令又帮你写好，你就直接按那个 run 就好了。当然，这中间还蛮多都是错的。你也可以开那个叫 YOLO mode， 然后让他直接帮你跑。如果你完全不懂编程的话，看不懂指令的话，就让他直接跑就好。可能会有一些问题，可是也不是，应该是没什么问题，通常都没什么问题。
その体上
人が倒れています。砂漠地帯行きはこのまま進んでください。
Naruki-san，只要可以正常动就可以了 ，Chiro 哈。
对，没错。他写了这指令啊，他刚刚写这指令是错。因为我这个他没有读好那个，他没有念好我给他的那个指令。不过没关系，可以修改。而且你们平常其实不会用到啊，只有我这个奇怪的东西才有。我也记错，被误导。
Naruki-san，只是在看着 AI 工程师都在干骂 cheerleading。
摸鱼啊！Hello， 風士。
Fuyaki no guys free。
你睇我哋已經開始練金。嚟睇下嗱，咁呢個咁佢嘅寫 program 啦，咁我就打陣機先啦，梗係。你看，我真都沒玩哦，我完全沒設計過。你看我角色，可是我記得他明明說那個試玩版的角色會繼承的，我說怎麼沒有
？Naruki-san AI 做了80% vlog for EXD。
哦，這有一個限制，它一個指令只可以叫25個工具。係啊，失蹤人口啊！其實咧，我下個月其實我係咯，我嗰陣又翻嚟啊，我又要翻香港，我6月我回香港。
風師 Sam 又唔叫，
哇，今日叫咗啊！哇，这看起来不错。我是想哪一个像我的角色？哦，这个感觉不错。哎，你看，撇的方向都一样了。这会不会太红？
風師成仲唔係返香港開公司？
係啊，我哋搬新 office 啊，即係我翻剪彩啊。啊！我等一下，我想起了，他刚刚那指令应该运行失败，因为我在跑。我要先把那伺服器停掉。
風師成借個位俾我個 FD 入去做 intern Fuyuki Musakura left。
借個位俾你個 friend，你個 friend 做咩啊？可是它这个颜色不能撇色。
風師成大學要佢有工作經驗先畢到業。
係啊，但係做邊行？
風師成但佢揾唔到工，Fuyuki 唔多 guys free。
So sad。
風師成
是
佢話最好係 dev。
是這個頭髮。
風師成 Fuyuki Musakura left。
是這個頭髮沒有第二個顏色嗎？還是我要選？係 dev 啊，佢係讀 IT 嘅，啊唔係即係佢係 computer science。
風師成係
哦，啊唔錯啊。
風師成
掛掉。Wait a second。哦，記得。使咪藍得滯？
風師成佢應該係
computing。我哋都要揾人寫 app 㗎，如果佢有興趣都 OK。你看我現在在跟那個，在跟我旁邊那個角色在對，不夠白耶。
風師成 呢啲收台再 DM 你灰一件50 啦。
哦，冇問題。變婆婆。
Meru QQ San，好老 W。
眉毛顏色應該是有點。
風絲 San，佢誇張到為咗時數可以人工都唔要。
啊，咁啊太好啦！我最中意白宮啊！呢啲嘢一定要揾小英幫手，我巴神啊！咦？不能選異色瞳嗎？係咯，點解唔可以揀左右眼唔同色嘅？我記得有呢個 option 㗎。你話 Claude 冇咩缺點，就寫稿好慢，好慢啊！真係啊，就係瞓着。那你看那個 Claude 寫得太慢了。
風絲 San，慢等於自己喐手。
咁係咪咁講啊？因為你諗下，我呢度係咩咧？寫隻 game 啦，連埋 login system 啦，再加埋呢個積分榜啦，有埋 anti cheating 啦，連埋 UI UX 都係可能講咗10幾分鐘。
風絲 San AI 表示咁你想點灰一件
？4.1就快好多㗎啦。係咯，點解冇得揀唔同顏色嘅？似唔似啊？似唔似小英啊？
風絲 San，仲唔寫個 AI 出嚟，寫個勁 AI 嚟寫 code，再寫個更勁嘅 AI 出嚟 etc。
哦，講到呢個，你有冇叫 Alpha One？唔係 Alpha Evolve啊？佢好似就係咁。哦，呢度。呢叫右眼，呢唔叫左眼。這是右眼，這不是左眼。My God！ 哦，他寫完了。哎，怎麼沒有聲音？怎麼可能？我關掉了嗎？還是太吵，我聽不到。哎，好了，他做完了，我們來看看他做得怎樣。我這邊跑一下。 I can.
Leaf underscore episode San. What is this?
Hello. How
Leaf
did you
underscore
get here?
episode San.
Welcome
How did I get
aboard.
here?
How are you doing? Yeah. So we are exercising vibe coding, which we have just finished our first round of implementation. Yep. Just as I expected, AI forgets to create a nav bar. How did you get here? Yeah, that's a good question. How did you get here? Well, I guess it must be the vibe that summons you here. How can I access the...它应该在这里。Boom！ 对他这写完是呢，他忘了做翻译。我先登录一下吧。
Leaf underscore episode San. What are you making?
Yeah, so what are we gonna making? We are making a PopCat game. Yeah, you see this very... You see this funny icons? We're going to play a PopCat game that allows different YouTubers from adding their own PopCat image, and they will click to compete it against each other. Yeah, apparently if you haven't checked out our system yet, we have this YouTube party system where you can hold karaoke parties with your friends without delay.
Feng Si San. And everything powered by AI.
Yes, everything powered by AI. So yep, I'll just give a very quick example how this works. Yeah, you just go to YouTube.
Meru QQ San. Sekabo Wuzi.
Click on random video. And actually not random video. It has to be a song. Actually, yeah, we don't have to do that. Give me a song name. Any ideas? Any ideas?
Meru QQ San. Sakura original song.
Never gonna give you up. Yeah, of course it's gonna happen.
Feng
My
Si
original
San.
song is...
Never gonna give you up for Yuki and Sakura S love.
Wow. So if you do Never Gonna Give You Up, my original song, I need to search for it. You just click on this one, and you got play. And then the AI will recognize the song is Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Ashley. And that's gonna populate your song list, which the song list is actually here.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I've spoken
You see the playlist above there? I reckon I stopped playing it because we are streaming on YouTube too. So that's the feature, and you can also have a... Actually, you can join my room, so I'm gonna share this Yep, that's the local version. Tôi哋可以咧參加呢個 YouTube party. So if I do this, I share my link over here. Everyone can join.
放肆成 home address
Yeah, that's actually how vibe coding works. Local, yeah, I'm gonna take your job. Local host. Yeah, see this amazing web page I built. Local host. Oh, so I saw one person is. I think one person is me, or not. Oh, my original song is here. So if you join by that link, am I gonna play? Yeah, it's gonna play on yours too.
Merry QQ San.
Actually, is it playing on your end? Or I have to do it again. I have never tested.
Leaf_episode San. Originator Radio.
Yeah, that's a radio list. Actually, well, slightly different. And this feature also allows you to just submit a YouTube link and we should be able to play it. I reckon that's my old original song.
What line/list did you use for this?
What did I use? That's a good question. This is apparently Next.js, so it's purely Node.js. And yes, you can create this program completely by typing English. So apparently the issues is it
Leaf
creates
underscore
that function
episode
and we have no access to it.
Node.js React? Yeah.
Yes, Node.js. Next.js. That's slightly better than React. Yeah. Slightly more structuralized, I would say. Now I just wipe code and say, yeah, can you add the bars too? Yeah. And then while the AI is running, let's go back to our Monster Hunter. Oh, so hot. I just realized that Monster Hunter is probably not a good game to go with vibe coding because I can pause.
At any point?
Oh yeah, of course. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Before I actually publish it because it contains some confidential information. I haven't got it clean up yet, but yes, this is an open source project. Oh, you know where to find my GitHub? I think you can go to my personal
Just
website.
fix bug and create more bugs.
Yep, it contains all my social links. It's a lot.
Leaf_episode San.
It's a lot more info than enough. Just fix a bug and create more bugs. Yes. We actually need to tell the AI how to avoid that too. So you can see what's good about this program is that. Well, that's pretty much fits it, but. Holy shit! Where did it add it?
Leaf_episode.
Oh,
Sam.
yeah, here.
I rec putting your git in your desk at some point. Ick about other people, but I am wary about clicking random links.
Oh. Yeah. I am not. I don't have my links. Yeah, I have commands for Twitter and Twitter, Discord, and stuff, but I don't have one for GitHub. Oh, that's my profile. The Sakura Connect and before is that you can see the PopCat game is here on the sidebar, and add character. So in this case, we have oops. Yeah, it forgets to do all the translation. Yep. I am just going to give the instruction to say.
Episode San. I GTG, but I'm interested in seeing what you'll Udo with this GI.
Oh! Thanks for following Live episode. Oh, I just realized I didn't read your name. What a mistake. Great. Oh, no, this should be multi-link. Yep, I'm just instructed to say, yep, there's a multi-language rule, and I'll include all the rule sets in the repo, so you can access them too. But the basic idea of that is actually there's no point to use my rules here. You should be able to create your own, and that's what makes vibe coding more interesting. These rules is pretty much I ask the AI to do something, and after they have done it, I say record what you need to do, you have done, and create a rule that helps you to create it next time. So in this case, yeah, AI doesn't lose context of what they have done.
Freight Gamer San. Popcat hello.
Oh, PopCat, hello! Hello, Freak Gamer, no time, no see. How you doing? Okay, we're going to ignore... We're going to ignore those placeholder errors, and we're going to add a new PopCat character.
Freight Gamer San. I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Good enough. Wow, I just typed cabimare.gif and then it loads the image. Wow, what an amazing design. So, yep, the good thing about this is you realize that when it is populating the text file, yeah, the UI also updates. It's pretty straightforward to see.
風師 Sam，而家返工日日就睇部3E print print 野褲一件5 Sakura S left。
咁你份工同我都差唔多嘅。And I'm gonna add my friend's Twitch. Oh, that's the correct link. And I just found his link, and apparently she draws all those pictures. So what a cute setup. And wow, she did
芬斯成已經同同事開始
Ring
不
Fit
務正業。
Okay. Alright, link. Create profile. I hope it works. Yes, it did. Perfect. The link seems wrong. That's a minor issue. Now we have the game, and yes, we have successfully added profile. Ooh. Wait a second. That
Fun game.
Hi, Flammy.
Fun
Yes,
season.
I'm back. I'm
我
back.
們成功斷開了。
Yeah. So apparently the
Flamey blank the ebook.
yep. So apparently the issue is that yeah,
Flamey Cute Sam.
it's
Mel Manuka 8 Waving.
it's trying to write to the database
Breaking
every.
GPU dive.
Ooh, who was that? Wow! Thanks for subscription, Blamey. Apparently, it's trying to write to the database every time I click on it, and then I precious. Holy shit. Okay, we see a couple of issues here. So that basic pop-up video game can be found here. That works fine. But the issue is that the pop is not supposed to pop itself. It should stick. It should stick with one frame.
Flamey cute San. I just ended a database training and you instantly talk about database rights. Freight Gamer San. Popcat.
Yep. So we find the issue here is that it's trying to database. Yeah, we don't actually need to implement a database. So we're using an ORM here, so it's not a big issue. Oh, database training. What takes it so long? No, that's like what we did in the uni. So this popcat over here is not supposed to automatically pop, and the other issue is that it's too slow. If I click a couple of times, the PC will crash because it's trying to write to the database every time. So in this case, we are going to fix those two issues that we observed.
Flamey cute San. Specific performance training. I've had the base training years ago and a very low-level
Oh,
database
yeah.
even longer
That's
ago.
actually very important. Well, even I don't exactly know how to
風師
optimize databases.
Crash 等於 new PC is coming.
It's 995x already. You see,
Flamey cute San.
I don't think.
I hope you have the MH Wilds OST downloaded and not run the game in the background.
Oh, actually, that's the thing, Femi. I am running a game in the background. That's why it's so slow. You know, vibe coding a lot of time is actually just waiting. And just a second.
Flamey
Let's hope
Cute
that the
Sam. Flame 11 gun.
let's hope that the app doesn't crash.
Fancy
I'm gonna save this version
We
first.
are eating dog eyes free.
Yes, I'm gonna save this version first. You know, yeah, that AI coding ran for like 14
Great gamer
minutes.
San.
I work on
Multitasking queen.
that vibe code ran for 40 minutes. It's
Flamey
time just
Cute
for
Sam.
Monster
I
Hunter.
can just barely run the game and you code and run a database while having it open.
Yeah, I use SQLite, so it effectively it's not exactly a database engine. Okay, so we are going to fix that issues. First, I'm going to greet the AI for doing an amazing work.
Feng Si San. You finally recognize it.
Well, yeah,
Flame me cute, San. Oh yeah, thank the AI to cause a lot of cost.
and yes, that's 995X size rigs with a GTX 4090. And memory usage seems just fine. And that's why I don't actually have the AI voice funny.
Flame me cute, San. What the heck are you doing with your CPU?
Yeah, it's right Monster Hunter.
Flame me cute San. Flavor 9 eyes.
Well, I bet Monster Hunter is taking most resources. What? System idle is taking, but wait, what? Oh, Task Manager is going to crash. Yeah, who is using all that resources? That's weird.
Flame me cute San. I have a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D and haven't gotten it to maybe 80% with CPU encoding wilds.
Oh, probably something else.
Fungsi San. System 等於 I give up.
Yeah, I have Waludo. Oh, this one's actually cool. Yep, that's my finger tracking. Hands engine. Hey, wait a second, did that break? I think it breaks. My fingers.
Flame me cute San. Warudo is GPU.
Yeah. Yep, my timer tracking app. It has a memory issue, but yeah, I think I fixed that. And yeah,
Freight Gamer
OBS.
San. Do you always have a full screen crosshair with your mouse?
Yeah, that no. So this is actually Power Toys. Yep, there's a plenty of useful tools over here that you can do. They can work with, and they are pretty good tools. Yeah, apparently there's the mouse utilities. And the coolest thing it can do is when you can't find your cursor, you can double click on control and it will show you where that is.
Flame me cute,
Moshi.
San. I used Power Toys a long time ago, and I
Oh,
forgot what Frazetta Quiz.
もしもしもしもし
I'm gonna turn it off and yep, the cursor. I just use this so we can sleep clearly.
Freight Gamer San. That is useful.
Yeah, that's super useful.
Freight Gamer San. I lose my cursor lot.
Yeah, I lose mine a lot too. That's why I have it too. Now let's get back to that GF issue.
Fungsi San. 如果換你個樣上去又要 L。
哦，我未得閒整嘅，其實我諗住整翻個都。I'm not sure that I typed correctly, but yeah, that's actually fixing problems. Yeah, the GPT 4.1 works pretty well in instruction following. And there's a quick issue we have over here. So navigation.add character. Yeah, apparently that's related to the
Flame me cute San.
navigation.
I used ChatGPT for the very first time yesterday.
Huh?
分屍 San。你寫段 code 俾人啊，上去就會 gen 個佢樣 version 嘅出嚟。
將個佢個樣嘅 version 出嚟，係啊，就係咁樣整。Navigation.add character that's under PopCat. You see that there's autocomplete too. That's very convenient.
瞓試成，然後出 ID 落排名睇邊個出 pop 得最多 UL。
Ah. You see, I didn't actually type. I just
Flamey cute Sam.
I just pressed
What
tab.
language is this? It kind of looks like JSON.
Yeah, you're familiar with it. So apparently that's how we do internationalization. You can switch. Our template can switch from English, Chinese, and Japanese. And apparently, obviously, it forgets to translate Japanese too. To make this more, the AI always forget to do it. So,
Flamey Cute San. I had to deal with YAML last week.
oh, YAML. Yeah, what an amazing language.
Flamey cute Sam. Manuka ate brain dead.
I hate YAML like I hate Python. Yeah, because they both treat space as something different.
Flamey Cute San. YAML is shite.
you see what I mean, right?
瞓試成 AI 怪我咯。Flamey cute Sam. Indentation sensitivity should not exist.
Yeah. So this is where you should be careful. I asked it to do have a open and close mouth, and it says it has the updated database schema, which I think is not true. Then I'll just talk to it like, but is a GIF can't press enter by mistake.
Flamey cute Sam. Recipe for disaster.
Pre-extract the frames. Oh, do you hear that
Flamey
dong dong?
Cute San. I love reloaded TTS.
Love loaded TTS? What's that? Extract frames in
Flamey
browser,
cute
yeah.
Sam.
Recommended.
Overloaded asterisk.
So you see, I
Flamey
asked
cute
that.
Sam. Overloaded asterisk FFS typing is hard.
Oh. Actually, I don't think you'll have an issue with YAML if you are working like me. So I can treat you an example. Yeah, this is a YAML.
小英嗨嗨。
Hello, Moni。哎，你进来了。今天这个跟你也有关系哦。我又回去搞那个 Popcat 了。你看，有你的。哎，坏掉了。
Flamey Cute San.
你看，
You
还有
don't
你
have
的。
issues working with YAML when all you have is a 6 or Vim.
Well, good luck with that. No, I can't live with a cursor now. Kill me. So you see, what I do is I ask it whether you can just frame extract the GIF file, and apparently
Flamey cute Sam.
it says
That is
yes.
what I had to do lolpol 11 dead.
It actually says yes. You can do it with. Oh my god, GIF. What's that library? That seems interesting. Let's use this method, yeah. Yep, shifting processing power to the client size is always good. I'll say, yeah, oh my god, GIF it seems interesting. And in this case, I'm going to ask it to search for the web because yeah, when it uses library, there's a lot of cases that it will be outdated code. So I'm gonna ask it to look online, and on the other hand, I'm gonna try to solve why is my fingers not working.
Flame Me Cute San. Shouldn't your code only check for a button input, swap picture and swap back when no click is detected?
Flamey cute Sam.
Yes.
I don't get why database stuff.
Ah. Yeah, because apparently, yeah, we have one character, but we want to make a. Yeah, the link is not correct too. We want to add this feature that multiple VTubers will have a leaderboard for the amount of clicks that they have. So it's a PopCat game, but we are going to do a VTuber version, and you will have leaderboards for each character. So the plan is do something at a decoder library, yes. Implementation plan looks good. Let me know, and would you like to use?
Flamey cute Sam. Okay, that requires some sort of persistent storage for sure. Indeed.
Yeah. So we are writing it to a permanent database. It actually suggests GIF UCT instead of oh my god GIF.
Fungsi Sam. Fuyaki no guys free.
Okay, it's for browser friendliness and popularity. Oh, in this case, I'm gonna take AI suggestions. Yep, you can see it generates a command for you. You don't have to do anything. Just click run. Or if you prefer, there's a setting over here. They can do. Yep, there's a setting here that you can do auto run. How can I change? How can I change the option? Yeah, it was called YOLO mode. I think that's more cool. So round up the object. You see, there's no way I can write code this fast. You only take like 1 minute. Fixes all the error, and yep, you see, it did it. So I click. Yep, and this code is 99, and I haven't even checked the documentation. Okay, now let's solve the other issue. The other issue is performance issue. So it is currently writing each click to the database, and which is very inefficient. The current implementation registers each click to the database, and it is causing performance issue. Can we batch process the clicks and only write to the database when necessary? So it's going to suggest you an approach. Just take a brief look at whether it looks fine for you, and oh, it executes directly, which is good, but which is usually not what I want. Well, it really depends. If it works, it's perfect. I don't have to click anything and use any requests. The best thing about this is also suggesting potential improvements as a user favorite background. We try logic warning, consider more robust queuing, offline queuing. Yeah, that is what the actual PopCat game needs to do. That has a million clicks, but we don't
DJ Caitlin San.
take care about it.
I get confused.
Hello, DJ Caitlin.
DJ
Yes, we are
Caitlin
about to
San.
finish, and we
Okay,
finished
yeah,
just
wow.
under 3 hours. Yeah, apparently you can see that it's still not registering the clicks correctly, but at least it's not crashing our machine anymore. So apparently I realized that it is registering the clicks. I haven't actually looked into the code. So what it does is it registers clicks every what did it do? Oh, it sends them every 2 seconds. Or when there's a 10 pops. Well, I think that makes sense. Now the issue is that even if I click super fast, it's not registering all of them. Yeah, I'm gonna ask the AI what is happening. So, cool. This fixes the database issue. But when I click super fast on the icon, it is not registering all clicks, but slowly incrementing them. Is it caused by not registering clicks? Before the animation finishes playing. That's what I reckon. It has to wait for the mouth to close. So that's why this happens here in your current handle pop implementation. When you click prop, it's set to true and only reset after 300 milliseconds. Oh, so it's actually only register 1 clicks every 300 milliseconds. You can see it can detect the problem very efficiently, and it's going to propose a fix too. Yep, now it works perfect. And you've got a character. Okay, I just mentioned that the AI forgets to include every translation and not supported errors. That seems like an old error. We will just ignore it. Well, we have a perfectly working PopCat game. Now let's fix the rest of the issues. Is that I think the links don't actually quite work. So this back button is going to a weird page. And this PopCat is going to a weird page too. And I actually think we need to log out to make sure everything works. So if you log out, you can That's pretty cool. And it's all about testing. And well, you may be surprised that Twitch button is actually working. Shit. It's the wrong endpoint. Yeah. Yeah, because apparently you can only use HTTPS for webhooks, which we need to do this. We'll start a tunnel. Go to Twitch developer. And that's our Sakura Connect app. And this fallback link, I'm just gonna copy this one. Now we should be able to log in. No, we actually need to log in from... that's actually not a good idea, but... This one links to my local version. Holy shit. Wow. It's posting something to the server. You can see the log is running crazy. And it's going to break my free plan too. We'll fix that later. I think it's something related to the local endpoint. It probably couldn't find something. So with a perfectly working PopCat game, what did we miss here? Oh right, we didn't add another user. Oh no, actually we need to translate website first. So here you can see that the translation is not working very well, and the cursor rules is what will take place here. We will move to this English JSON. And then we have a rule for sync translation. Can you sync all translation file from English to other languages? GPT 4.1 has pretty good instruction following. You can see it will start looking up for files. Well, while it's doing its job, I am going to I'm gonna create a new account for that. Oops, this wasn't implemented correctly. That's fine, yeah. No one else can access the main panel except from me. Morning. Okay, I think Morning was here. So and we have his image too. So let's add Morning. Yeah, everything breaks when I start streaming. Yeah, how amazing! I think it's really too much thing I'm running in the background. Oops. Wow. Morning. And I'm just a create fake email address. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, because at the end, everyone will be using social login. Yep, this is just an intermittent message sent. When the AI is populating the files, but that's not a big deal. Oh, you see here, dong dong? Yeah, that's finished. So if you are playing games while coding, you hear the sound, you can proceed to the next step. Now we have logged in with a new account and good morning. It didn't translate file, holy shit.
Moinsu and I san. Keep me pop pop.
你可以打自己的。I'm gonna ask it to. Can you actually
怎么是
translate the file? I don't understand Chinese
表情符号难
and
过。
Japanese. Well, that's not true, but yeah, just ask it to do the thing.
Fuyaki Sakura left.
好害羞。
Moinsu and I san. 好害羞哦。
Morning 对你是被选上的小孩。
Moinsu and I san. Yo.
你的图旗，你的图旗是，你有图旗的吗？应该说你有那个。我也好像没有开台吧。
Moinsu and I san. 我有啊，但我没在开台。
那你就是可爱的小伙伴。你看他这就翻译就完成了，变中文了。然后你就可以跟卡比咩对战。我怎么按了300多下？我的天啊！
Moinsu and I san. 表情符号大笑。
我刚怎么按了300多下？我现在不就按300多下吗？哎，我刚刚没看到哦，这个可以，这个直接打开耶！哇，太厉害了，我什么都没做。我打错了。哦，他这个算法，哎，你超过卡比了，耶！
Moinsu and I san. Keep me high.
So we have now perfectly created a version in English, Chinese and Japanese PopCat. And it took us 3 hours exactly. Anyone is not satisfied with my claims here? I'm gonna go pause the valve later. Hey, wait a second. Shit. Oh, my tracking doesn't pause. Oops. 1 hour 32 minutes 29 in documentation, 40 minutes in hunting, and 12 minutes in doing nothing. That's exactly 3 Wait a second, it's only 2 hours. Okay. Let's continue. We still have some issues to solve, so we'll go back to that one. I think in the current implementation, links are not handled correctly. I want to move the add character button navigation back to the PopCat page. So login users can see the manage button. Also, after the user comes back from the manage page, it should redirect correctly to the PopCat page. Is this working correctly? Oh, the manage button is working correctly. That's good. So, okay, I see what's wrong here. We don't actually have to do anything here. Just remove the item from a sidebar. You see, that's extreme observation, and so if you do it from here, that what did it? This can't be it. Oh, I see. So the issue is that if it doesn't have that JP prefix, yeah, the navigation is broken. So I'm going to change my instruction a little bit. In the current page, the legs are not handled correctly when locale is not set. Yen. Links looks like I'm going to just copy paste. However, if locale is used like the navigation works without problem. I don't know why that doesn't work. So let's go and look in the files and take some time, and let's go to Monster Hunter. I think we are... Oh, what? What the fuck? Shit. I pressed load instead of save, damn it. 我刚做角色做完了，然后我按到那个，我按到取消了，干。
Feng Si San. Fuyaki Naga.
Damn it! I gotta redo it now.
Flamey Cute San. Manuka ate brain dead.
Oh dear. Yep, the AI actually finished and says, yeah, the approach is to, yep, let's see. Let's see if his claim is correct. Yep, that fixes the problem. But not the back one. I'm just compare two characters. Ooh, actually I can adjust this one. Let's see how my character actually looks like.
Play me cute, San. I should play Wilds again someday. Play me cute, San.
Have you?
But I think I've already missed some events.
Oh. Yeah, see, I'm still only creating character. There's so much to miss. Oh wow, we can adjust this. It's going to take me ages before I can.
Play me cute, San. I did everything but not the latest monster release and event.
Oh. That's nice.
Play me cute, San.
I probably need
I'd
a
like
lift.
to recreate my character, but that costs money, fail fish.
Huh? Wait a second, does it cost real money or? Yeah, that's insane if it costs real money. I rest this. Yeah, this card should be darker in the game because yeah, if it's
Play me
exactly the
Sam.
same as
You need
mine.
to buy a voucher on the Steam store for that. Really stupid.
Holy shit! How dare could they? How dare would they even charge that? Should like it, but I think it should. My nose? Hey, wait a second. Where's my nose in my character? I can't really see my nose there. Wait, there's a small nose. Smaller nose. I don't know why, but default looks good.
Play me cute, San. Your nose is usually between your eyes and mouth.
Wow, usually. Yeah, have you seen anyone that is not? Well, I mean, if there's nothing, if there's not a special disease or something. My face is kind of round, but ooh,
Play me cute,
looks so
San.
fat.
There will surely be unfortunate cases with some sort of mutations.
Yeah. That's not. Yeah, let's not laugh at those peoples, I guess. Yep, so we've checked that both works. Wait a second, why does it go into back to... Ah. It just goes back to English. Let's see if the Chinese version is doing the same thing. Yeah, just talk to AI, say, yep, we're just going back to English version regardless of what local said. It is not what we want. Use the same logic routing conflict, otherwise navigate to, yes, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, seems fair. I'll just say, yeah, let's proceed and see what happens. And I don't exactly know what it's talking about. Hopefully it works. Now we're gonna move to this vertical nav bar. And we're just gonna manually remove that option. Yep, we don't need PopCap Manage button on both sidebars. Yep, what did it change? Doesn't seem like it. Yep, so it's gonna add a stiffer locale. Yeah, that seems fair. So if you do a Chinese version, you manage your profile, it still goes to English. At this point, I reckon that probably... Yeah, I'm going to change Next.js config. It actually tells you here, for other if the user is on default locale and doesn't have a locale prefix, navigate to this. And the reflection that approaches matches locale prefix as needed. So locale prefix is needed. Where's the option? Oh, it doesn't look like we have this option configured. Then I'll ask it, no. I'm just trying to read this. What to do? Import the correct use router from navigation. Well, this one's very long, so well, if you want to learn coding, yeah, just definitely should read it, but I'm just based on my experience glancing through this and sees it's probably an okay plan. I'll say yeah. Can you fix that for me? Of course. Of course. Who's gonna write code, right? Cool navigation switch. I am. Well, but remember, yeah, I can do that because I have already staged my changes, and whatever it did wrong, there's nothing that will bother me. And if anyone is interested too, yeah, Cursor is actually pretty good. If the AI did shit, there's a restore checkpoint button that we can go back to the previous step. And you can go back a couple of previous steps too. Okay, let's see. Now, how broken is the language now? Switcher. Still doesn't solve the problem. Holy shit. What have you done? This is a time yet you probably need to look at the code or it asks it to try a different approach. Oh, actually, if you read carefully, this code over here, a router push popcat locale. That's a bit interesting. I'm gonna set a debug point here. It's not hitting. Oh, so it is. Yeah, that requires some debug skills, but I'm not sure, but I read the code fine. I don't think it's that hard to read at all. Yeah, this one say update VTuber profile, and this one is router push right after that, and this one say create VTuber profile, and router push after that, and that's the code that it is modifying and not other else. So I reckon the issue is that, yep, it's very easy readable. Yeah, this is exactly what the AI has changed. So according to my observation, I must say, I realized that you route only after updating, creating and deleting the VTuber profile. But I am referring to the manage my profile and back button. I don't think we need to get, usually it might be better to say, the manage my profile and already using correct locale aware navigation. That's interesting. If you see issues, you're gonna route the wrong locale after clicking back on it, likely cause the locale variable is not being set correctly. So erase out the issues might be those. I will, in this case, if you know none of the coding information, just say to it. Okay. Can you help me to check if 喂，Hello，完全沒有動力。點解你係龍？啲我哋今日我唔係打機呢個好似冇咩用。
完全沒有動力成。灰一件5多 guys free。
Any of those issues？ 我呢個完全冇有動力啊！你睇下我都話啦，3個鐘差唔多啦。你睇下隻 game 已經差唔多整完。你睇下嗱，可以撳到噶。跟住咧嗱，可能小動物小伙伴咧，跟住我哋咧就可以喺 manage profile， 你可以改名啦，加你個動畫啦，
勁到
係啦，可愛嘅小伙伴啦，加 social network 添，我加多嗰啲唔應該有嘅功能添。Diagnose， can you help me with checking these issues? Okay. The manage profile button correctly uses Windows Serve locale Popcat. Is direct assigned to Windows Serve, which is not locale aware. It does not use the I100N。 咁好啦，佢 AI 就揾到個問題，係咪 ？AI 就揾到個問題，佢唔係用緊我哋 default 嗰個轉語言嘅東西。咁呢度咧就係我啱啱講嗰個問題啦。而家呢個問題係咩咧？而家問題就係咧，我哋有呢個多語言支持啦。而家你可以見到我哋英文版嘅。咁咧，其實我哋喺呢度咧就改咗做中文版嘅。咁咧中文版之後咧，你見到個 Popcat Game 啦。咁我哋去呢個管理個人檔案咧，一撳落去咧就會變翻英文版，你唔知點解。咁咧問題咧就唔係好大嘅啫。不過咧，我哋有多啲時間，我哋可以整理埋。Update management profile to use。好，個掣係咪喺度我都唔知。係個掣唔喺度啊，個掣喺呢度。死火啦！哎呀，我唔可以叫佢 apply 另一個 file 嗰度，柒咗添。咁冇辦法啦，咁就唯有叫佢自己 apply。你睇我哋打咗20分鐘嘅 mon hunt 啊！呢個就係 AI 寫曲嘅時候。睇下嚿嘢有冇賴先。Fuck, it still doesn't work 。呢個加個 breakpoint 先試下。搞 reject 啱啱，手殘。Oops！ 我搞不登出啊，碌柒啊！ Use router. Is that the correct button though? Session user. Dev class. 呢個時候呢 ，manage profile 嗱係呢個掣冇錯，咁就點解 locale 唔啱啦？嗱啱啱咧，我哋寫完嗰啲 code commit 咗先啦。嗰時候講，even after suggesting that the locale variable is not set correctly。嗱，呢個純粹嘅觀察嚟嘅，咁呢啲同 AI 講一聲，佢就會 blah 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 blah。嗱，呢個佢開始鳩 up 啦。If you are on Twitter, it works, and if you are on Popcat, default locale prefix will be en. So where's the current logic? Get current locale 喺邊啊？嗱，呢個曲有行嘅 set 咗 debug point 喺度。Parts path name So even is including a local, that is only locale. The path name is only return the page name. In this case, Popcat. Okay, it recognizes a problem. You should always use locale from next intl, which is the thing we are using. The hook is local aware is return correct value regardless of what the locale is. Let's hope this actually fixes it. Yeah, you can see that's like, yeah, you sometimes just need to give a lift to the AI. I'm gonna do a little bit more here. Getting locale seems such a common function that we can split from the logic. So I'm gonna say ask it to save it as a external class. You realize why I say it's like I like using GPT-4 4.1 is like it's just too quick. I don't even have time to play games. Yep, you see it's done already. Yeah. It works. Now, apply the same to the back button. Yeah, it just missed stuff. I'm surprised it actually works. It removed the utility function and it breaks? It doesn't break the existing code. Oh yeah, because it has an the get locale function. It seems that it doesn't follow my instructions strictly. Yeah, which is why I create two different functions of the same thing. This can be quite problematic for AI programming. I think it tends to do that. Very unlikely. But I think this issue is caused by me using Claude as the kickstart. In general, GPT 4.1 has better instruction following. And after this is done, we want to avoid the issue next time, which is cool. Now, after all you have done, can you we're gonna write documentation for it. So that we don't run into it again. Instead, I'm actually gonna ask it to generate cursor rules too. So we're going to create readme for the locale routing issue. Create and run and modify the multilingual rule. Shit. Let's see what else is rated. Yeah, it should be only the multi-angle rule. So you can actually see those rules they are generated by the thing, but when you want something to be done, you don't want something to be done repeatedly. Add it to the rules so that the AI knows what to do next time. Yeah, you save yourself from repeating yourself. Oh, my fingers works now after 2.5 hours. This is the most important part of the program. Yeah, make sure this rule is correct. Yep, you don't need to do the code. You don't need to do anything else, but make sure that what it states in the rules are correct, because yeah, this is where the trouble will get in. This is the most important part of wipe coding, which is almost why everyone else keeps repeating themselves and think AI is stupid. The time is pretty much guaranteed wrong, but you can fix it pretty quickly. And cursor head can detect today's date, so that's not a lot of issues. Yep, so this one tells it to always use current locale. Yeah, that's true. And the ML didn't go. What? I wish if an existing one, why is it doing that? Yeah, that's why I say you need to double check. Other things are fine because, you know... You can just see from UI, yeah, if they don't work, you know. You can see I have some typos over here. Can you can you can you put it directly on? Yep. It knows what you want. Yeah, it can reason itself, and yes, it will not cause an issue. And I'm just gonna delete this README file
何でしょうか
because they shouldn't be there. It actually struggles to create it, but that's fine. We'll see what's written over there. Yep, so locale detection. Just copy this section.
何でしょうか
We'll accept this file because it looks fine. We'll add it under this section for detecting locales. Then that's the 7th item. After that, we'll create a patch for this one, so it will be fix navigation locale not working properly. What's that error? No stop. Let's forget about that first. So the last thing before we actually push it up to production, we need to make sure that the app's builds. So how we do that is pm build. It will check for anything that should not be there. Well, effectively, you probably want to write your own test too, but I usually skip that part. Yep, surely you're gonna run into some issues, and this fixing them is pretty easy. Oh, this one just says plus is non-used. That's very straightforward. Just remove it. Yeah, you don't need AI for that. If you want, you can. Okay, this one overstring does not solidify. Yeah, that's actually a very common issue. As a Next.js only thing, so you don't actually need to worry a lot about. But if you want to know how to solve it, I've included in a troubleshoot WMDC, which includes a lot of common errors. I'll let the AI fix it and I'll explain why. So apparently in Next.js 15, it expects the parameters to be asynchronous and it must be awaited before use, which is when you supply a function, a parameter, which is likely a user submitted one. You just need to await that parameter so it is not returning a promise. And why they use promise instead is because it doesn't want to it doesn't want to hang the UI by by putting a parameter in another thread. And this troubleshoot rule is specifically for next very common errors that I have done a few times. Just ask the AI to create a rule to involve how you solve it at the end. I reckon that should be enough if the AI is not doing anything else. Oh, it's getting slow, but it's Friday. Is everyone working? Oh no, I think the US guys just wake up. So that's for the management page. We have you see it's a very common error. We have another one for the PubCat page. Just highlight the error. Yep, highlight the error. Add it to the chat. Just say this one too. Can be less polite. Yeah, you don't need to be that polite to an AI.
Meru QQ-san. More PopCat laver laugh.
Yeah, Meru, we're done. Yeah, if you want to, anyone that can register an account over here. Yeah, you add your own PopCat too. Yeah, so you just need to log out. I turn off the server for the build. So I just need to turn it back on. So after log out, you yeah, there's a sign in with Twitch function. That's how you create a character. Actually, Mesh Creator doesn't work yet. No need to worry about it.
Meru QQ-san. But it no work for me.
Oh wait a second. Yeah, I haven't configured the server. I have to do it off stream, because yeah, that improves some credentials. I don't know why this. How does this even work? Or is it?
Meru QQ San. Secret Glaver or binoculars.
Yeah, this thing. What's it doing? Manage client user profile. Yeah. Can you still hear me? I think something broken. Oh. Okay, the ERX crashed. I think it's fine. We can just turn that off. The
Merry Christmas,
clickers doesn't
Yes.
click click click. I think you heard a very weird sound. That's one of the plugins. Brutally failed. Oh, by the way, I realized that I probably did too much things. Hmm? 然後羅啱啱咪講嘢，嚇？係啊，撈嚟開緊台，應該好早之前。And I should fix the issue. Oh, perfect. Oh, by the way, if anyone is wondering where did I go, I actually still have a lot of damn things to do. Yep, just let the AI fix all of the errors before pushing. Oh, by the way, I think Fred Grammar, you're from US, right? I've been there. Actually participating in a conference, yeah. Anyone knows that? Yeah. I promoted. It's called NVIDIA GTC, and I just after I went there, I realized one thing, is that
Merry QQ San. C.
I actually
Merry
realized one
QQ
thing.
San.
Yes,
CEO.
I thought there's like a few companies from Hong Kong going, but however, I have double checked. It's only us. So if you know, yeah, that's pretty much how to get doxxed. Oh, but that's fine. I'm actually thinking, should I merge my channel to Should I actually merge my channel to a more IRL one? Yeah, I think it's some sort of it. I can't keep my personal preference away from my video characters. it'll be too hard to share more stuff if I if I don't want to expose myself. You know, the AI field is pretty small actually. I would either it's like don't talk about it or or you can dox me very easily. Oh, the build success, and let's see if it actually breaks any code. So change the bar package, the management page, and the nerf bar page. Wow, that seems like a few things changed here. I realized right after I turn off the clicker, I can hear my saliva noises. So that one is actually important. I can see that, yeah, the error goes away, that's good. Actually, not exactly. Yeah, but that's ignorable, I guess. Oh, the nav bar comes back. Jeez. No, we don't want that. Probably we can't remove it. Oh, that might be why. Well, you know, there's a lot of errors in this thing, and yep, that's the art of software development. I want to fix all of those. Yeah, if you just want the thing to work, you probably don't need to do this much. I don't know why it has context. Oh, I see. I'm still using the old conversation. Yeah, I should be using a new one. This is my bad. Yeah, it did clean up well, but yeah, that. Yeah, there's something you actually, this is something actual AI, so you need to know the context windows is what causes hallucination. So try to keep the context short, or yeah, AI pretty much just hallucinates. Okay, one last thing, we're actually gonna check if the updates button work. Yeah, just replace KB Man with cheese. Save? Am I using Chinese? I forget. Yep, sorry, KB becomes cheese. Data profile might be important, but yeah, we're not gonna test it. thanks everyone for coming today. And to sum up, we have created a podcast game with a leaderboard, self-registered, what's that? Self-registered character and multiple languages. That's done within 3 hours. We accomplished it. Thanks everyone for coming. And yep, we are going to call the end to the stream here. Oh, I don't. Yeah, I don't have stream boss set up.
QQ 辛苦啦。
耶、3个小时哎，我真的做完了，我都不敢相信。不过就这样，我自己一个人做的话，1个小时什么都完。刚才花1个小时在讲解那个什么蛙哥，哎，
Meru QQ San， 魔物居然只有21分钟。
对啊，其实就是那个啊，因为他一开始那个我们一开始第一下的时候，他把整个功能做出来，那个是最长的。那个时候我们就玩了大概10多分钟，然后其他你看，其实我们用那个 GPT 4.1。我用 GPT 4.1那个，他做的事都很快，我们其实都没什么时间玩。这基本上就是那个，我们 Y coding 里面就是他做他的事，我做我的。他写他的代码，然后我呢，我就做那个我自己的
Meru QQ San GPT
Debug
还是太强了。
对，太强了，真的。我没有试过 Gemini， 可能如果 Gemini 可能还比较快。这界面呢，这界面我觉得那个 Claude 还写的蛮好的，很基本的，可是可以就做。然后这里写个简介，然后怎样？我可能会改一下，就是上面这里可以点 VTuber， 然后下面是一大块简介，这里太少。然后可能旁边这直接加一个那个搜索连接，那就很好用。可能我们这时候做那个美国人还没起床吧，我有想过，就是11点才开的话，那个美国人起床就突然变很慢。最近有比较好，因为是那个，我觉得就是那个他刚推出时就一堆人根本就不是编程的，他就在做那个，他就一直在那个推特什么鬼的那个就做一些 demo 这样的，然后他们从此就不写程式，所以其实实际上用的人还是蛮少。我们看看，我们今天用的要这个，我一开始 4.92。你看我写完这个程式
Meru QQ San， 原来
我写完这个程式才花了2块钱美金哦，2块钱。
方思 San， 敷一件50 Kuras
你睇下寫個咁嘅 game 2蚊雞啊！
方思 San， 熄咗條龍 AI 會更快。
係啊，熄咗龍真係會快好多，好慢啊！我想講，等我瞓着。
不夠多。
唉
Meru QQ San， chill he。
Okay, so 你们觉得能学到东西吗？其实我觉得最重要还是这个，因为说我自己编码的话，人家说实在太慢了。 我自己打的话快很多。我主要是希望我讲的方式你们可以学到怎么学，怎么做。而且我也要叫我朋友。说真的，我觉得自己讲的不太好，所以我就想说，既然是卡比妹在线，我们去找卡比妹吧。So to sum up, yep, we are finishing our wipe coding today, and we successfully have achieved finishing a site in 3 hours. Yep, you can see how good I am estimate AI coding right now, right? Exactly 3 hours. Actually, we did it in 2. Amazing. Thanks everyone for coming, and I don't have a date for the next stream yet, but if you have any software that you want me to make, I am offering a co-offering opportunity, so you will come to for co-offering, you give me the idea and I will guide you on how to use cursor to achieve it, explain all of them to it, because you know, practical is very important too. Yeah, it's like you can understand the concepts, but you need to pick it up in order to be good at, or find out stuff that you can't think of. So I think this co-offering course is very beneficial if anyone wants to learn programming from zero. And today's code will be open source within. I'll plan to open up in a week, at least. Wait， 而且知道吗？这些课我在外面做都很贵。有机会的话，你们真的想学的话，我们可以一起编码。这是你们朋友才做。
Meru QQ San， 大经费消耗 Hero Little。
对啊，大经费消耗。OK， 卡比妹在干什么呢？梅露，你要学编程的话，我会手把手教你哦。哇哦，他在玩那个 Rapple， 这个现在好多人玩呢。
上楼了，完蛋！
我们raid message. Yeah, let's have a raid message. Pop. Hey, wait a second. She doesn't have the popcat on. Oh, how come? How come? 哦，卡比他把那个 popcat 真的拿走了，那就不管了。那么，谢谢各位。See you next time. Yeah, we'll announce on Twitter if you haven't followed yet. Yeah, please definitely follow it. And see you again. Cheers. Bye bye. Hope you actually learned something.
之后只有2天休闲去了 Little Creek。Meru QQ San， p s h
那他知道状况吗？哦，没有开点啊，开点比较好。
那个大棚嘞，第3个点哪里啊？去了。
小英。